to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a minion. To be precise, I might teach you how to draw Bob. So Bob is like this. First, just draw that. Bob, like here, his straps go down like that. That's what we're going to be starting with. Then that and that. Repeat that on the other side, like that, here. Now, actually, instead of Bob, we're going to make our own minion up. So I'm going to call this guy Pell. His name is Pell, okay? Okay? Yeah. So here. No, his name is Paul, sorry. So here it is. Then, these bits. Make them have enough room to have hands. And this, it's a curved, really curved square. Then, thumb. And then these bits. How that be? Even though it is another one, just add the rock just for details. Just add the rock. And then the big eyes. I usually sometimes do that first. Like that. Then the glasses. And then we do back a better circle inside. And don't give him a little piece of hair. Boom. Like this. And then now his eyes. here, like that. Now just a smile. Now I'm gonna do a time lapse of me colouring it in, so you can pause at the very end to see what the colour turns out to be. Okay, so yeah. So here it is right now. So here he is. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the like button and comment. See you in the next one. Bye.